The RTT5000 has 3 buttons for configuration: M, menu used to enter the menu, and long press to go back; S, shift; Z, adjustment, scroll. To set the channel, sensor type, and sensor wire, start from the main menu by pressing M. Scroll with Z to function 32, set channel, then press M to enter. Inside this menu, you will find function 13 to set the channel, function 22, sensor type, press M, and select the required input sensor. Function 23, sensor wire, press M and select the correct sensor wiring, 2 wire, 3 wire, or 4 wire. After completing the settings, long press M to return to the main menu. Scroll to function 36, save, press M, and confirm. This step is mandatory. And that's it. Your Rocksensor RTT5000 is now configured with the correct channel, sensor type, and sensor wire. For more details, visit our website.